Ezi uphumeza files for divorce bathi lo shota wakhe bese ufebelini. We know it's going to sugarcoat it. He was cheating. But your sisters was just like, I'm done. Cabanga guys, after 11 years, umuntu azokuxakekisa nje. Ubona, and you must just go away. You can't be waiting and be chilling with that crap, you know. So, uthi usisi usacela 45,000 ke. Because yakhumbula also umntanabo is actually partially blind. You remember they went through a journey with the child. I used to follow them. You know, I was just like, this is so hard. Oh my gosh. But she's like, I need 45,000 to maintain me. Yeah, and then bazohlukanisela into zizindlu. You know how it is, and it's, you know how it goes, you know. Kusemaphephandabeni actually go everywhere. People were shocked, girl. Also, Nama was a bit shocked because I used to see them when they stayed there not riding back in the days. Oh my goodness, about 2013, 2014. Ngapha uTeboho Thobejana now waqale wathi after she was shot at nomngane wakhe lo who ended up crippled in a wheelchair, which is not right, guys, because ukubona leyo nto leyo ukuthi ube at the wrong place ungene into ongahlangene ngayo. So I was still saying ukuthi athi uTeboho Thobejane no afonele uCat after the shooting athi please protect me ngoba une VIP angithi VIP Cat Protection Services in Pretoria athi ngicela bandla uprotect hawo jikijiki usisters manje usethi uBabita. You remember uBabita whistleblower usethi manje I know uCat ngiyamazela indaba vele wayejola naye in case obviously she know. So things have changed now. She goes now to NPA and say no sengiyazi why ngidutshulwa ingoba ngiyazazi indaba and noBabita vele wabulawa yibona laba the whistleblower. How usekhiphe indaba now and then ngapha futhi ngathiwa umngane kaTsakani inkosikazi kaKhethe kazi kuningi if nifuna ukwazi okunye okumore around lezi izitori zaKate Matlala, there's a lot of them in my other YouTube channel what's the tea siyahlaziya ni-check lapho, but I'll also put some links lana. I'm just like hayibo sis manje usukhipha indaba even namanje uthi ene she's not safe, ufeel ukuthi impilo yakhe isengcupheni, people are looking at her, people are trying to follow her around. I'm just like, you know what, at this point there's a lot coming out now around her story, you know, because at first it was more like bafuna nje ukungibulala, you know, kanti there's other things that are still coming out. Actually, in fact, stuff is still unfolding around this story lesi asiphelele nje ubusibona. Yeah, but if you want to know some of it, you can also check on my other YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.